Good afternoon, everyone. I am Alejandra Maria Betancourt Madrid. I am a psychologist in training at the UNID University. This video is the objective of English B+. This is my individual work script 3. The question is, can you tell me a little bit more about the skill that you transferred from your previous line of work to our department here? The answer is, sure. In education, it's all about making the customer or student feel comfortable and helping them grow. I feel that with the company, this is the same philosophy. Getting a customer comfortable with the products and helping them grow as they advance in whatever the sports they happen to be participating. This is my opinion. Thanks a lot.